Hi there, it's Rich here from ITS, and we've got a really exciting new product to demo for you quickly today. They're called Stealthmounts, and they're these pretty innocuous looking plastic formations, if you like, in front of me. But what they are is they're a really handy little addition to any tradesman's kit. Particularly if you're into your cordless power tools and you've got one of the big brand cordless power tool batteries. What these are is they are battery mounts that you can secure to the inside of your van, to any work surface that you're working on regularly in your workshop, anything like that. And they can be put horizontally or vertically, and then your battery can really quick and easily slide into them, and that will give you really nice, neat, tidy battery storage to keep your battery safe, secure, so you know exactly where they are. If you've got some lined up, you know exactly which one you're using. Really quick and easy swap for another battery. And also you can know if one's missing, if the apprentice has nicked one or something like that. They come in a series of colours, so we've got both a branded colour and a black version. So obviously Dewalt, we've got a yellow version and a black version. Milwaukee, red version, black version. Makita, blue version, black version. And of course Bosch as well. That comes in a blue or a black version as well. One of the other handy little features that I'm demoing is you can attach it to your belt. So that's absolutely perfect, if you're going to be up a ladder, if you're doing some work at height without other batteries easily accessible. Don't keep them in your pocket or somewhere where they could fall and break. Keep them on a nice secure thing like one of these Stealthmounts. So they come in a pack of 6. So like I said, you can either get the coloured version or the black version, and you get 6 for your money as well. So you've got 3 in the van, 3 in the workshop, however it is you're going to be set up. Really nice little product, like I said, available for Makita 18 volt batteries, Bosch 18 volt batteries, Milwaukee M18 batteries, and the Dewalt one's really cool because it's the mount is for the XR batteries, but they do of course fit the flex volt batteries as well as the 18 volt XR ones as well, because it's the same fitting. So yeah, perfect little new introduction to the ITS range. Stealth mount battery mount holders now available at ITS.